Hello beautifuls, it's Nancy from Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a simple skin whitening DIY remedy that can make you 3 shades lighter. And it's all simple, natural ingredients.
But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedy.
In a clean bowl, we'll need 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. After that, add a pinch of saffron. Mix all the ingredients together till they're well combined. Then I'm transferring this to a clean container. This cream will last you up to 5 days. Apply a good amount of this cream before bedtime and leave it overnight. And you can use it on your face or your hands to get fair, spotless skin. And after a few times of using it, you'll see a big difference. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!